The Ram 1500 eTorque features steering wheel controls for audio, cruise control, and menu functions, all managed through the Uconnect system. These controls let drivers access key features without taking hands off the wheel, prioritizing safety. Recent software updates have enhanced integration with smartphone apps and advanced driver assistance systems. This emphasizes safety and improves overall usability in the vehicle. Audio controls on the Ram 1500 eTorque are located on the left spoke of the steering wheel. They include volume up and down buttons for adjusting audio levels. A source switch button toggles between radio and Bluetooth audio sources. Skip and track buttons allow navigating forward and backward through tracks or stations. These buttons provide tactile feedback for safe, hands-free operation. Recent updates enable seamless wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay integration, reducing the need for physical audio buttons when using paired smartphones. The cruise control buttons are located on the right spoke of the steering wheel. The Set Resume button engages cruise control at your current speed or resumes the previously set speed. The Cancel button disengages cruise control while keeping your speed settings saved. The Plus button increases your cruise control speed in increments. The Minus button decreases your cruise control speed in increments. The eTorque hybrid system links cruise control to regenerative braking for smoother deceleration. Cruise control now interfaces with advanced driver assistance systems, enabling quick toggles for lane keeping assist and blind spot monitoring. The central buttons on the steering wheel are designed for navigating the instrument cluster or touchscreen menus. These include up and down arrows for scrolling through options, a select or enter button to confirm choices, and a back button to return to previous screens. Using these buttons allows drivers to access menus without taking their eyes off the road. For example, the up and down arrows help scroll through audio settings, navigation options, or system preferences. The select button confirms your choice, such as entering a menu or activating a feature. The back button takes you to the previous screen, helping maintain control during navigation. To minimize distraction, voice commands are integrated. Simply say, "Hey Ram," to access menus hands-free, making navigation safer while driving. Customize steering wheel buttons through the Uconnect app or vehicle touchscreen. Access the settings menu to reprogram buttons, such as assigning audio functions to menu controls. Safety features ensure steering wheel buttons support thumb-only operation, promoting hands-free driving. Voice commands are recommended for complex tasks to avoid distracted driving. New models incorporate dual confirmation prompts and fail-safes to prevent unintended menu navigation during acceleration. Steering wheel controls on the Ram 1500 eTorque are evolving toward greater digitalization. Expect increasing use of biometric sensors, such as fingerprint recognition for personalized settings. These controls are integrating with hybrid and EV systems, including haptic feedback that lets dry versus feel energy recovery during braking. The industry is moving toward voice and gesture-based interactions to reduce button dependency and enhance safety. Experts praise the Ram 1500 eTorque's intuitive button layout for its ergonomic design and tactile feedback, making it easy to operate while driving. However, experts caution against over-reliance on physical buttons to comply with distracted driving laws. They recommend integrating voice commands through the Hey Ram assistant for safer operation. Looking ahead, future updates may introduce AI-assisted customization, allowing buttons to adapt based on driving habits and preferences. These updates will also integrate steering controls with autonomous driving features, potentially reducing the need for physical buttons in favor of augmented reality interfaces. Additionally, sustainability trends may include carbon footprint tracking, where button usage is monitored to optimize energy consumption in the eTorque hybrid system.